j'espère que vous allez bien. On se retrouve dans une toute nouvelle vidéo ici à Bangkok. On est au Muscle Factory. Aujourd'hui, je suis avec Dirk qui est WNBF Pro champion en lightweight. Donc ma catégorie, celle que j'ai faite l'année dernière où je suis arrivé 4e en amateur. Donc ça va être une grosse séance upper. Je vais juste laisser introduire. La vidéo elle sera en anglais mais je vais la sous-titrer pour que ce soit plus simple, bien sûr, pour communiquer avec lui. So I'll let you introduce yourself.
All right. Hey guys, my name is Dirk Ebowitz from Germany, and yeah, bodybuilder, pro bodybuilder training since 12 years now. Last year I won like the WNBF Pro Lightweight World title. That's my biggest achievement so far, and yeah, starting prep again in 2 weeks. So this year I plan to compete back to back, and yeah, trying to defend the title this year. So we're getting an awesome training session in today in Bangkok Muscle Factory. That is the plan. Yeah?
Let's go. So for the upper training, you do like all the upper, even the arms, or on the
on this day today it's like no arms, actually like chest, back, little delts.
Yeah.
That's mostly it. Like I have like a rural arm and delt day. That's my first day because this is like my focus point. I want to improve, so I have a full day only for that. Yeah. And today is all the rest basically. So
you don't like upper, lower, then arms and delts.
Yes, it's like arm and delts, upper and then lower, like 4 days a week. So
yeah, you train like 4 days a week?
4 days a week only. Yeah. Since like last prep I started doing that, and I figured like my recovery is much better this way. And once you are like get very good at movement, I think you can get more with less. Yeah. So I feel like when you get very like one set nowadays, it's so much more efficient than like 10 years ago for me.
So how many sets do you usually do for one exercise?
Like 2 or 3. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, like for this one now only 2 sets. Yeah. But it's every set to failure and into partial reps, and you will feel like 2 sets is enough. Like
I saw like you do like crazy slow tempo exercise.
Like very controlled,
So like you follow by Alberto Nunez?
Yes, Alberto Nunez, he's my coach.
So you do like your training and your diet?
Everything. Yeah? Yes, everything. Since 8 years now, man. Yeah? So long, Oh yeah.
So how long have you been competing?
How long now? Since 2021.
Oh yeah.
I did my first season. I won the pro card, and then next season was last
the first season?
Yes. Yeah. So this was, I waited a long time for that. So yeah, how long are you training now?
I've been training like for 8 years. Wow. But I've done my first competition, first show in 2021. Yes. It was like a NPC one. Yes. And then I started WNBF last year.
WNBF last year, wow.
Done like 5 shows.
That's awesome.
Asia, I saw like the show are crazy.
Yeah. The conditioning level is very high there. And the structure, I feel like the Asian people have like small waist, like insane structure. So
like you have a pretty small waist.
It's just okay. Like if you look at Brian next to me, he's way more. Yeah, but it's going to be good, man. Next year, I'm excited for that.
Yeah, and how is to be like back to back? Not too tired about this?
No. Like I think I have like, when it comes to that, very good genetics. Like I recover very quick from prep. Yeah. And I don't need a long time to prep. So for my first show now, I just start like 14 weeks out. Oh yeah. For Dubai. Yeah. And I think that is why, like, I think like my body fat at that point is very low. Yeah. So I can do it.
Yeah, because I saw like you are 2,800 or 3,000 calories.
Oh, now like 3,200.
Okay.
I want this. Yeah. That's for me a lot.
yeah, sure.
Yeah. So let's see how it goes. How much I can improve in a year.
So, sure.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I do like 3 warm-up sets. Yeah. Or like 2 to 3, and the first one very light for like 10-15 reps, and then the second one. Yeah.
So the goal now is to be like the ultimate world pro champ.
Let's do it. Yeah. So do just one light, and then like moving up.
Vous verrez, les mouvements ils sont vraiment millimétrés. Genre c'est une dinguerie, c'est ultra impressionnant.
Very good, man. is your usual like style of training? Like
I like to be a bit low volume.
lower volume?
Yeah, high intensity, so like 2-3 sets
Yes.
maximum. And then I go a bit faster
Yes.
on the reps, but
Yes, yes.
I like to do like a bit of tempo.
That's
too.
cool. You
Yeah.
can give it a go today.
Yeah,
how
yeah.
you like it? Yeah.
Yeah.
Like the main reason for me why I train like this is injury prevention.
Yeah.
Like I had so many injuries in the past.
Yeah.
And now like the way because this style you can't train as heavy, and this way my connective tissue stays
Yeah,
healthy.
sure.
And I think this is my number one priority
Yeah.
at this point. Where like if you get injured, that's the worst.
Yeah,
Like,
and you
enough,
saw that you can progress with that style of
Yes, I
training
saw
too.
like 21, 23 immense
Yeah.
muscular progress. Even though my loads I move now are lighter than
Yeah.
3 years ago, but the main goal is like as bodybuilder, right, to get as big
Sure.
as you can. Like the goal is not as like getting as strong as we can.
Yeah.
I feel like as a powerlifter.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, and
that's how-
I know like in everything, like everything works,
Yes.
but you just need to go on what's the most
works for
convenient to you. Yeah.
And what's
exactly.
the most fun, I feel.
Yeah.
That is
Yeah,
like
you need to love to do training and
Yes,
everything
yes.
like this. Yeah.
because for some people they have like the genetics of to train super
Yeah.
heavy and all of that, and it works for them,
Yeah.
right? And they stay healthy. So
But yeah,
Yeah.
they can have like so also injuries and everything like this. So
always
to
contact.
prevent that, yeah, that's
Exactly.
better to yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah. And how was W Hong Kong?
Oh, it was very
Yeah.
good, man.
Yeah.
Insanely
Great show.
good lighting and very high level of competitors.
Yeah.
That was
How
very
was on comparison with Germany, for example?
I would say in Germany more density.
Yeah.
Like most athletes are more dense, but I feel Hong Kong had like insane level of conditioning.
Yeah.
Most of them, yeah.
Yeah.
I hope they're doing a pro show there maybe next year. Who
Yeah.
knows? Like there's many
Yeah, I think
Hong Kong
there's
pros now.
so much pro show now. That's
Yes.
great.
Especially in Asia now it's coming now.
Yeah,
But
I love.
Yeah,
Like now there's Korea Pro Show.
yes, Korea, Taiwan.
Yeah, Taiwan.
And that's it I think for now
yeah.
in Asia, right?
I think there will be like Singapore or everything like this.
Singapore, yeah, like Hong Kong would be
Yeah.
cool. Maybe
There Malaysia, I think, no?
Malaysia doesn't have a pro show
Yeah?
yet. Yeah. Japan would be cool too.
Yeah.
And then I had an
Yeah,
excuse to go
that's
to
what I
Japan.
love with that. We can travel a lot and
Yes,
yeah,
and
discover
see
other
the places.
countries.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe I could be. I was like,
Yeah.
if I win the world title this year again,
Yeah, you need,
I will
you need
next.
to defend
So
the title.
it's like I think it's a cool thing if you win it multiple times
Yeah.
in a row.
Oh, sure.
So if I lose this year, I would maybe
Yeah,
do another long
take
off
it,
season
yeah.
because I know, man, I need to
step
be
back.
better.
Yeah.
But if I win again, I'm like, okay, like do it as often.
Yeah, sure.
like
When you
repeat it.
win the pro world champ,
Yes.
are you qualified for the next year, like in the Olympia, or you need to again do a pro show and be qualified?
I'm qualified again.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, I can just, I technically,
on the world
I can
stage.
just go worlds.
Okay.
I would, but I do for fun like
Yeah,
some
sure,
shows before. But I
yeah.
don't need to qualify.
Yeah.
I can just go again.
Yeah, but
Like
when
that.
you're a natural bodybuilder, I think you need to
Yeah.
go to do like many shows.
Yeah, but and it's fun as well.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, so that's
Yeah.
it's a cool thing.
Do some shows.
Yes,
are the best thing
exactly.
ever.
Yes, come on, nice. Until it barely moves anymore. Yes.
Crazy
one.
set.
Alright.
Yeah. Again. Easy one. Come on. Push yours. Yeah. Come on. That's another one. So last arm.
Yeah, then done
Yeah.
on this one.
Ensuite on part sur les pecs avec du fly, etc. Il m'a parlé d'un petit combo, on va tester ça. Mais la congestion pour l'instant elle est juste incroyable, les sensations. J'essaierai peut-être d'en faire un peu dans mes séances, etc. pour voir un peu ce que ça donne. Mais juste la sensation est folle. Donc ce qu'il disait tout à l'heure, c'était que ça aide à prévenir les blessures, etc. Et c'est ce qu'il a préféré faire depuis quelques années. Et ça marche très bien. Donc ce qui marche pour certains ne va peut-être pas marcher pour d'autres, ou peut-être que vous n'allez pas aimer. C'est juste qu'il faut trouver un style d'entraînement que vous aimez et auquel vous pouvez adhérer. Et c'est ça qui va faire que vous allez progresser au maximum.
Okay. Gym, it's a better vibe.
Yeah.
Like you can film in Germany, you can film, but people don't like it.
Yeah.
Most gyms don't allow it. Here you can film your stuff, and it's a good gym culture, I feel.
Yeah.
Like in Germany, sometimes it's like people get annoyed and stuff.
In France also.
And it's more busy. Like here, I would say the gym is not as busy, which
Yeah.
is like you don't need to wait on all the machines.
Yeah, sure.
That is what I really like. And the heat, I feel like training in a warm environment feels better for me
Yeah.
than like a cold one.
Yeah.
Like that's
And
the
about
main-
the nutrition?
Same.
Yeah, yeah, you keep the same. Et là, avec la chaleur, les gars, je vous jure, c'est intense, de fou. Mais c'est génial. Franchement, le pump, il est insane. Je sais pas si c'est la chaleur et tout ça, mais incroyable.
That's a little west. Oh, a little like lightheaded now. Fuck.
Yeah.
Yeah, wait, I lay down for one.
Donc il se repose. Du coup là on part sur des fly pour les pecs et c'est enchaîné directement en superset avec une presse. Je sais pas ça va être quoi comme exo vraiment en presse pour les pecs, mais on va suivre. De toute façon c'est juste incroyable. Vous avez vu c'est vraiment ultra intense. Heureusement que j'ai la Gatorade avec moi qui me carry de fou. Mais avec la chaleur et tout c'est dur. Mais j'ai de nouvelles sensations, de nouvelles façons de s'entraîner. C'est ultra intéressant de pouvoir discuter de nouvelles techniques d'entraînement avec certains athlètes. Et j'espère pouvoir le refaire par la suite. En tout cas si vous aimez n'hésitez pas à me le dire dans les commentaires, toujours vous abonner et n'oubliez pas de liker la vidéo et nous on continue le training. Bon il y en a un qui est en PLS, moi en attendant.
Yes. Yes. Nice.
Nice. At the beginning I was like,
Good one,
it's
right?
very light.
Yeah, and then it's getting like very hard, like,
Yeah.
out of nowhere.
La tension, c'est un truc de malade.
Alright, let's do it.
Oh yeah. Là, je fais un gros stretch. Easy. Oh, pareil. Yeah. Come on. Là, il y a au moins 2 secondes de reste en bas du mouvement. Insane. Comment For shoulders. Yeah. Again.
Okay. Oh. Shit, man. Ooh. Nice.
Oh la tension les gars. Je suis bouillant. Comment you have it. Yeah. Good. Comment? Yeah.
Oh, fucking.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
So like 2 sets?
Yeah,
Yeah.
all to failure partial again.
Ok.
10 to 15.
Toujours 10-15 reps. Vous allez voir, c'est un tirage lat. Donc c'est lat pull down, mais un peu différent que d'habitude. J'ai essayé en warm-up set, c'était juste insane. Le stretch est vraiment incroyable. Je vais vous montrer, mais
Let's pull
insane.
around.
Insane stretch.
Do it.
Come on. Là, il a un maximum de tension et de stretch. Oh, yeah. 1, 2, come on. Yeah.
Ooh, shit. Man, 12.
It seems heavy.
Huh?
It seems heavy.
It is, yeah. Oh, fuck. Yes, nice. Whew. Nice.
Whoa, that's heavy.
It's good, right? Whew. It's a good one.
Yeah. Good one. Come on. Some more. Yeah.
Good one.
I can do even one more.
It's hard, right?
Quoi, le pump Joe, il va être très mignon, les gars. Je le dis, et lui aussi. Il est à 16 semaines, je crois, de sa prochaine compétition. Et il a même pas commencé la cut encore. Exactement, gros. Ouais, là, c'est lui. Comme tout à l'heure, à peu près, sauf que c'est du décliné. Easy. Come on.
Okay. Oh, fuck. Yes.
qui ont du feu, frère. Les gars, là on part sur le T-bar. C'est un T-bar de balade, c'est un bench fitness. C'est le même qu'a Jordan Peters. Il faut savoir que Jordan Peters, train by GP, c'est le seul qui met 2 plaques dessus. Donc là, nous on a 15 kilos. C'est hardcore. La prise fait très mal, mais c'est génial. Tu peux choisir l'écartement par rapport à tes épaules, etc. Donc pour le upper back, fais vite. C'est parti les gars. Pareil, que des séries assez longues, assez dures. Mais ça change tellement et je pense que je vais être courbaturé pendant 5 jours au moins. Yeah, come on. Yeah, I think it's perfect for the upper back, and then I saw
Crazy, man.
with the partial with the traps. Yeah,
Crazy. Nice.
Oh, il y a 15 kilos, j'ai l'impression d'être une merde. Le moment il est tellement dur en bas. Bon, ça tabasse les mains, mais sans de mal. Wesh. Nice. Come on. Perfect. Nice. Yeah. Tu vas vite. Nice. Yeah, come on. Okay. Ooh. Come on. Yeah. Oh shit. There we go. gars, séance finito. Incroyable. Nice session, bro.
Good one, man.
Yeah, thank you.
3 hours almost.
Yeah, 3 heures quasiment. On va faire un peu de posing et on va avoir un peu le champion du monde à l'œuvre. Incroyable.
I'm on my prime, I'm feeling like Steph. I get my shot and I promise it's wet. Waited too long, but I told him I'm next. I need my bag, just want me to check. Cable was mine, I ain't taking less. I told them all I'm as real as it gets. Shit be a shit, dog, I'm cutting the net. I thought I told them I came for my spot. They told me time is like money, that's why I done made it. I sweated, I'm spending a lot. They never seen the hours I put in to get here. They only just see what I got. I spent my time in the lab all this winter. I sweated the summer is gonna be hot. I cannot lie on this shit. I paid a lot for this shit. They got some money to spend. I got some money to get.
Bon les gars, séance terminée, on termine au Get Fresh. C'est un resto, je sais pas si c'est parti en Thaïlande, mais c'est un resto où tu as toutes les cales sur tous les plats. Donc là ça s'est pris un petit chia pudding, c'est une dinguerie. Moi j'ai pris un petit smoothie bowl, bref on a tout éteint et je suis mort. Donc du coup on n'a pas filmé juste avant. La séance était vraiment excellente, donc merci à Dirk pour cette séance. C'était fou, c'était assez spécial niveau exercice, niveau tempo, etc. Mais c'était très intéressant en soi de s'entraîner de cette manière-là. Il n'y a pas tous les exos que je pense que je referai dans mes programmes et l'histoire de tempo, etc. j'ai quand même bien kiffé. Il y a certaines variantes comme pour le lat pull que j'ai vraiment bien aimé. En tout cas c'était une très bonne séance, elle a duré quand même 3 heures. Donc on est éteint, à la fin vous avez pu voir un peu de posing, etc. Savoir que Dirk prépare donc sa prochaine compétition, ça va être le Dubai Pro Show. Il y a également Taïwan juste avant je crois. Et à la fin l'objectif pour lui c'est forcément les Worlds, devenir champion du monde overall en Worlds. Donc force à lui pour ça. Et c'était vraiment un très bon training, une très belle rencontre. Donc merci à lui pour tout ça, même son partage, etc. sur tout ça. Donc n'hésitez pas à aller le suivre. Je mets son Insta directement en bio. Nous on se retrouve très vite les gars pour une prochaine vidéo. Stars Against.
Too long, but I told him I'm next. I need my bag, just want me to check. Cable was mine, I ain't taking less. I told them all I'm as real as it gets. Shit be a shit, dog, I'm cutting the net.